SET and RST in ladder programming. PLC Ladder Logic instructions use to control outputs by latching them on or off, holding their state even after the input signal goes low. Select the specific model of PLC. I am using Q06UDH CPU, and the software is Guxworks 2. Now let's design the ladder program here. If you click Enter, then the selection box will open. You can also select from the nav bar. Here, if I click F5, then it appears Input Normally Open Switch. Let's name X1. Now for Set Click Application Instruction Symbol from the drop-down menu or press F8 button. Here, select the application instruction symbol from a drop-down menu, then now use the instruction as set and output address. Let's say Y1 is our output address. This case, make the Y1 on when X1 is on and set the value of Y1 on unless it is. Reset. So let's make a reset case as well. Here in Reset RST, case X2 is taken as input switch, which used to reset the Y1, and again use application instruction with instruction RST Y1. Let's add the comments as well. In the complex program, it is always recommended to use comment and display as shown here. Here I am using the simulation screen to test our outputs. Click on Debug-Simulation Stop. This screen is appear after selection simulation. Click on Close after complete, then blinking error will disappear. Simulation CPU is run. Here the RST is on means and default. It is in reset stage, and on clicking X2 switch on, off, nothing will happen in the output. It always remain off. Once I click the X1 on, it will set Y1 on, even though if the X1 is off after on the Y1 still hold the set stage unless the X2 button is clicked.